It's about to be action-packed, so sit back and enjoy your snacks while we keep it real. Oh, hell yeah! What's going on, realist? It's your man Trey.
And it's your girl Tasha.
We're married to the real, but we keep it real. Mr. and Mrs. Real. We back for more Iron Fists.
Yes, we're here for that.
Season.
Rolling Thunder Cannon Punch. Wow.
That sounds like some Gold Tink shit. If you ever watch Dragon Ball Z, you know what the fuck I'm talking about. Don't that sound like some Gold Tink shit? Rolling
Like
the cannon.
Who named these episodes?
Oh shit, but we finna get started, man. We hope y'all having a good one. I mean, I hope y'all bear with us through this. I mean, we gotta try it, man. We gotta see. I mean, honestly, it's not the best, but it could be worse. I've seen worse. Have y'all ever seen the Daredevil movie or Elektra movie? Ooh. I'm keeping it real.
What birthday?
Hell no, that's some students again.
Think?
Probably another fucking training exercise. God damn. You gonna pay for that lock?
It could be old boyfriend and people like us at the same time.
That's true. And we got 3 good scenarios right now. But we know it ain't Danny though. Damn!
It might be her students. I'm trying to see. No, is that the man? The security guard? Yeah.
Okay.
We're trying to help. Breaking in. We're chasing him. The guy who says he's Danny Rand, he escaped from a meth.
Nobody can put me. I can take care of myself. As you can see.
What the fuck?
Call us.
Get out.
Damn. I'm like, y'all
Hey,
broke.
how much y'all salary? Y'all don't get paid enough to keep eating our ass with this.
Damn.
Stop you taking one move. Bro, what the fuck? This where he's sleeping? What the fuck is that?
I guess it doesn't seem that way when you directly disobey an order. I asked to have Danny moved to a safe location, and you tried to have him killed. You don't understand that. Oh!
In the spine, my boy?
What's that?
God damn.
Do things my way, it'll all work out, Lord. Can't you see that?
Well, if he's anything like his day, I'm glad he get out the building.
So I'm asking you, when he reappears, keep him safe. Until I decide what to do with him. If I need to spell it out for you.
This what we doing, my boy? Did the monks used to listen to hip hop music though? Or did he just, no, because he had that iPod when he died.
You need this.
Oh, me. Me got to know Goku in.
So it's not necessary to use charging the method.
So it's risky moving in.
The dude in the back just sitting there chilling.
He doing that shit with ease. Oh, I think she was turned on.
Silence.
Wait a minute, bitch.
Rapid punish.
Not that.
I'm like, did he even touch her? Hitting her with some Bruce Lee shit?
Excuse me. Hey. Are you the one who takes care of these? Gravestones? Family takes care of them. What if everyone in the family's dead? No, man. Just cut the grass.
Right,
Put grass in the office.
I wonder if we be putting flowers up there. Might be somebody we ain't thinking of.
Oh shit. I can't even think of her name.
Hogard.
I said step away from me.
J-Money. Standing Rand. He called his secretary Margaret a hatchet-faced bitch. I was standing right there. He gave me $5 to keep quiet.
Where was my office?
You didn't have one. They put you in the copy room.
My desk?
It was a folding table with a file under one leg because the floor it was too.
Damn.
Yeah.
I went to your funeral.
Yeah.
Maybe we should move on to weapons now.
Hell no.
I think I'm ready.
The fuck?
We are disappointed.
Madam Gal?
Sorry to hear that.
There are discussions about your loyalty.
I love her.
She is in every show. She is not bullshit.
That's
We
grandma
got
of the
US,
year right
we got
there.
best people working on the pier.
On your knees.
Oh.
The glass.
Sure, fuck.
Get on your knees, man.
Bro, how she get up there that quick and... Bitch, you could have just backed up.
I know, right?
You couldn't kneel without putting... She said on your knees, she ain't said put your hands around.
Exactly. Some people.
What happened to the trainer man though? Like, I fear for his life. Like, was he aboard of this shit because he disappeared?
His lover will never go to the national list. It will go directly to your nephew
Wow.
tonight.
How the hell did you manage this?
She trashed like her dad and her brother.
We'd like to add you to that list.
Wow.
Here is my buy-in.
She trash. Okay. I get it.
That bitch is nice too, man.
Shit.
If you a bachelor in New York, you take a chicken nigga, you get the draws instantly. I'm just saying.
Somebody in New York probably be like, I've seen better.
Shit. Where you stay, Thomas? I'm fucked up.
You can't sleep.
Like shit, like
He's gonna sleep on the floor. I knew it.
man, don't the floor just feel so good?
He been in a monastery though, so I understand for 15 years. I mean, the girl need extra comfort. He can hear you coming, my boy. Just want to put it on. Oh, you did? Trash.
What the fuck?
He trying to find it first.
Trying to burn it. Get your ass up and find the shit.
How you ain't hear him coming though? All this Tai Chi shit. Why you keep fighting? What the fuck?
Hit me in the back of the head.
Sir, what the fuck? That was smart. That was real smart. Bro, who is this? He got fucking knuckles and a lighter and gas and a knife. Like, what? He ain't got no gun. Like, what the fuck is
No,
this?
right? God damn.
The foul assassin. You hear me?
You're dumb as fuck, yo.
Bitch.
The foul assassin.
Like, that's all he good for, bitch. How you not have a gun?
Why is this so important? Did you hate me that much? Yes, because the Danny Rand that I knew, he's dead, and I want him to stay that way.
Ooh. Whoop his ass. Whoop his ass.
Back.
You don't understand.
Isn't it obvious? I'm not your sister. He's not your brother. We don't want you here.
Wow.
Oh shit, that's all he needed right there.
Daddy, listen.
Nah, you just say what the fuck you had
No,
to
it's
say.
a rap now.
Trash ass Joy. That's your new name.
We got any challengers?
Yeah, what grown ass man want to fight this lady for a quick dollar? Look at this big bitch. It always be
Why this
fucking
whole
garbage.
motherfucker?
Cause he think it's an easy win. He fucking trash.
Dude, I wouldn't go nowhere near chick like that.
Leon,
He garbage, bro.
I wouldn't, man. First of all, chick stepping that bitch. I wouldn't even step. I was like, bro, don't do it.
Get hairy, bitch. I'm so mad. Betty smell like,
Oh my god. God damn.
he gonna say this ain't no Floyd Mayweather.
So he said cut the Floyd Mayweather shit. Did he punch him?
He licked her face. She
Oh,
nasty, bitch. No telling where his tongue been.
Girl,
Probably got 7 STDs.
Girl, you gonna need some Clorox, girl.
She gonna need Jesus.
And some Lysol, some Pine Sol, some something salt.
His tongue is like a breeding ground for STDs.
Oh, not that walking on it. Oh, there you go. I know his shit.
Choke him out. Sonya Blade style. Get him with the. I'm like, you should have got him with the leg. Break it. Break it.
You should be able to pick her little ass up.
Oh, he bit her. He nasty fuck.
That left hook.
Shit. Whoop his ass.
God damn!
He bit her, bitch. I whoop his ass too. Yes. Make your money, honey. Don't get a tetanus shot though.
This doesn't prove anything. Anybody could have made this.
Look closely. There was a child's fingerprint in the unfinished part of the clay, right? Next to Joy's name.
This
motherfucker crazy as hell. Bitch, you know what's gonna happen if you fall? The Iron Fist can't stay your ass from this place. Oh, fuck.
Then we gonna need the double Iron Fist.
No, he gonna need double Jesuses because...
Oh, it's not that building. I thought it was that building. Oh, my bad.
Oh, you gonna go inside.
Man, sit your ass still. Man, dude. This is how people die.
He ain't gonna kill him because he wanted to use him to get away from the hand. What was that? Did somebody kick him out the window?
It looked like it.
Bitch, how that shit go off like that? Bitch, they know what to do to keep you going to the next episode. I'm so fucking pissed.
Kicked him out the motherfucking window.
Like, who was that? Like, I know their conversation wasn't done that quick because he was climbing up at the same time our dude was up there.
That probably was that dude.
If that's the assistant, I'm done. The little boy that be on the typewriter, like, you finally get some balls.
It's fucking
I
crazy.
don't even know what to say, y'all. This episode was much better than the last one.
Yeah, it was. I'm like, he didn't even, man, like, they messing up they self. Like,
Joy, like, borderline trash. Like, I don't know.
well,
She, like, wavers from side to side. I don't know.
depending on the situation, I don't know.
Because you can't say fucked up shit to people and then, oh, I feel bad, let me give you this so you can prove your identity. No, it don't work like that. You still trash for saying it. I don't know, y'all. It's cool, though. Like, this episode was cool. But I just wonder what kind of deal the dad made with the hand to where, like, he had to fake his death and then not go nowhere. Like, that don't make sense to me.
Yeah, I don't understand that as well.
Like, I don't know how them keeping him locked up in there does them any good.
At all.
Right. And I'm like, it's such a big deal for him not to leave, but you see his son study coming, so that's what I'm just trying to figure out what's the issue with that. Everything else kind of self-explanatory, so
what are we gonna do?
I don't know, but I mean, this is a good episode, y'all.
Yeah, it was. So, well, we gonna keep watching, man. I gotta see the end. I gotta see this all the way through now. Like, it's an interesting story, trying to put the pieces together of who's who, what do they want, like what is the reason for whatever's happening. So we know Danny can destroy the hand, so we'll see that hopefully in Defenders, or maybe we won't. I don't know. But we're going to keep bringing it to y'all. More Iron Fist is coming your way. It's your man Trey.
And it's your girl Tasha.
Man, to the real, y'all be sure to stay real.
You already watched, so you might as well subscribe, please.